All right, we're back today with the internet's favorite camera, the Osmo Pocket 3. I just want to do a real quick video today on the new Ulanzi Pocket 3 mini tripod kit. That's it right here. These are cute little feet. And I'm gonna compare it to what currently comes with the Osmo Pocket 3 so you can kind of decide for yourself if you need this. But there are some kind of hidden features in this that I wasn't aware of because I didn't read the fine print, and I'm actually happily surprised by it. And I'm gonna talk about that today. So first, let's talk about the Osmo Pocket 3. This is the internet's favorite camera. It has a built-in gimbal. It also has a 1-inch sensor, and it literally does fit in your pocket. It's just such a good compact size. But that aside, check out the Osmo Pocket 3 video. I'll link it somewhere here, and to learn about that if you don't know about it yet. But what currently comes with the Osmo Pocket 3 are these accessories right here. You have kind of this short adapter, and what this does is this plugs into the USB-C on the bottom. It has a 1/4-20 thread there, so you can put 1/4-20 attachments on there. There is no battery in here. It is just an adapter, kind of a big adapter if you ask me. And then this one here is an adapter, but this is also a battery power bank right here so that you can extend the life of your Osmo Pocket, because the whole purpose of the Osmo Pocket 3 is that you are out and about doing your thing. And then on the bottom of this battery bank here, you do have this 1/4-20 thread to where you can put this included tripod mount like so, and it works like that. And then also it works as an extended handle so you can have that extra reach. But these aside, I wanted to show you the new Ulanzi mini tripod kit. But before we continue, I wanted to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video. This video is brought to you by Geeks Outfit. Check out this shirt here, it's pretty cool. It is a reference to a film. Put it in the comments below if you know what film it is. I'm not gonna give it away to you. If you don't know what film this is, I'm really concerned about you. Maybe we should do a watch party because it's such a good movie series. But if you wanna check out Geeks Outfit, I'll have a link to them in the description below, and I'll also have some discount information in there as well. So let's continue. Okay, Osmo Pocket 3, we have right here, boom, 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 boom. So we have the Ulanzi tripod kit. It actually comes in 2 pieces because on the bottom you have a 1/4-20 thread, and on these little baby feet here, you have these bolts right here to make sure they can lock into place. Also underneath these feet, you have this 1/4-20 screw to go into there. So there's good use for both of these, they go together. Looking at the base, you have these clamps right there, and those clamp onto the Osmo Pocket 3, like so, and squeeze to release. And then on the back of it, you have your USB-C. So let's compare these real quick, because we just talked about this with the one that's included by DJI. These literally provide the same functionality, but way shorter in size, because you have the 1/4-20 thread on the bottom and the USB-C pass-through in the back of it. So they literally do function in very similar ways, but Ulanzi has these 2 dots right here for those bolts, and it really secures the feet in place so that it doesn't move around. These feet are something I've never seen before, is they go back to the kind of vertical state when you push down on it, and because when you push down on the camera, they go flat, and it just stands there. So you got these foot pads on the bottom, and also this doesn't just snap on by attachment, you do it with this 1/4-20 screw. So let's put this on here. We're gonna align this up like so. You'll see it's not twisting around. Then we'll tighten our 1/4-20 screw, and then we'll attach it on, and there we go. That is the Ulanzi Pocket 3 mini tripod kit. How cool is that? So that's kind of the top view that you're seeing, but in all reality, this is how you'd use it. You just push down and it stands there. So it just stands there on your desk. Saves you, honestly, it saves you from doing this manually. I know it's not a necessity, but it's pretty dang cool, I've gotta say, to just be able to set this down and let it go. Also, because of this USB-C pass-through, I could plug this in the back, and I can set it down here, and I could turn this on. You could actually just have this propped up and use it as a webcam for your computer. That's pretty cool. But because of the 1/4-20 thread on the bottom, and you could do this with the included bases as well, they're just a little bigger, but because of the included 1/4-20 threads on the bottom, you could do lots of things with the base. You could use this attachment, use it as a cold shoe adapter. You could put a base plate on there to use with your tripods and have this on all of your tripods, and then you can quickly use the quick release. And also you could put on these action camera threads on the bottom for action camera attachments. Now, if you already have these that come with it, this is nice just to have as an option in other places that you want to mount your Osmo Pocket 3, and it's just a nice quick release to have. But also, it's really cool with the feet. If you want to learn more about the Ulanzi Pocket 3 Mini Tripod Kit, I'll have an affiliate link in the description below. If you purchase through there, I get a little kickback. Doesn't cost you anything extra, but go check that out. And if you found value in this video, please don't be shy to let me know by hitting like and subscribe, commenting, sharing, and doing all of that jazz to help promote the channel. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.